have a severe thunderstorm warning for us.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Morris County, northeastern Somerset County until 2:45 p.m. At 2:03 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Martinsville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Chatham around 2:35 p.m. Severe thunderstorms produce winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Morris and Somerset.
Are we scared?
Here is the forecast.